Hey everybody, this is Luke, and in this video I'm going to show you the new feature for 2020.4 for Tableau. It's block comments. Previously, when you created comments, you would come in and do a double slash, and then you could just add a comment. So I could say, this is the sum of sales for the prior year. And if I wanted to add additional comments, written by Luke, and then last updated 12, and let's just say 15/2020. I would write that out with a slash each on a separate line. And if I had a comment for the end of a line, I could just put it at the end and I would be done. And I could only put them at the end, and I can only sort of block them individually like this. However, I've definitely seen a lot of people write a lot of comments, and they get a little tired of having to put in backslashes. So with the new release of 2020.4, there is a new block comments feature, which can be activated with a slash and a star, and then you can start typing your comment. So we could just say, this is a comment. And because it's a block comment, I can do a carriage return, a new line, and just sort of start typing again. This is Luke, and another line. Today is 12/15/2020. And then I can end my block comment with a star and a slash. So that's one way I can use these. Again, really nice. It makes it a lot easier for my commenting. A lot cleaner when it comes down to it. And then, frankly, a nice little feature of block comments is that I could actually do an inline comment in the middle of a line. Not that I would really ever want to do it, but it is definitely a feature available. So I could just say, again, slash star. Let's just call this sales. Typing out my last name, and then star slash, and I can end it. And as you can see, this calculation is valid. So that's block comments. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. We have a series of 5 videos for 2020.4 and the new features that have come out. This is, it's definitely not the highlight of the bunch, but it is a nice feature to have for your analyst team and your developers. That said, please go ahead, watch the other videos, like, subscribe. Thanks again, and have a great day.